the entrance to my home. In this little corner, you have the mirror. Cute. Lady's checking herself out. And then we have the little key section in my purse. We have this little thing where basically if you put it in the corner of the eye, it takes out the bad vibes. It's about to come in to the home. It's like a dream catcher, but not really because it doesn't have like the webs in it in the middle. This is my beautiful fish, Pegasus. Peggy. Peggy is like, I don't know, his own little world. Oh look, he's saying hi. Hi Peggy, hi baby. He is my son. I love my baby so much. So now in this area is the kitchen. It's not as big as my other apartment, but it will do. I have my liquor bottle collections up, because you know, you gotta collect. My little quick kitchen area, my utensil, my knives, my plates, everything, my coffee section. As you can tell, I gotta go grocery shopping because I don't have that much coffee anymore. I just washed dishes recently. My fridge, my pantry, which is kind of full and a little messy. And then this is the dining area. It's really simple. Right now we're still in fall, so it's gonna be a fall theme. I'm gonna change it to winter theme really soon. Nothing special, but in this area, you have the laundry. And sorry, ignore the little tabs because I had Halloween decoration on. The laundry is kind of like a little walk-in room. And we have, my dad put up the cleaning supplies up in the wall so you can make it easier, and then washer and dryer, your typical, you know, laundry room. And then we have two storage rooms, which I'm not gonna open, but they're smaller than this room, than the laundry room, but they store whatever you need to store. And then this area is my living room. So we have two couches, my pillows, my little medium center right there. And then this is my other fish. Don't know their names because I totally forgot about their names. So we have four. We have a yellow one, a pink one, a colorful one, and a white one. This is their home, as you can see. And then we have my decorations on the bottom, where is the elephant, my Buddha, and the face, which also next to it is another face, which is, I love it. Really do, actually. And then obviously we have our TV. And then we have like a family picture frames here. And then we have it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment. We don't go into these bedrooms because they're locked. So we don't go in. And then we go into this area, and there's my beautiful portrait that I 100% love, and I've got it at Ross. And then my plant that unfortunately is kind of dying, and it makes me so sad because I've been traveling a lot, so I haven't been here to water it because it is a real plant. But I'm hoping I can survive it, so we'll see. So then we have the patio. Nothing special. We have the patio. We have another plant, like I said, been failing at watering it, and that's because I've been traveling so much. A little bookshelf that I've done with my friend and my parents. My parents came in town and they helped me like create bookshelves and build some things up into the rooms, which you're about to see. So now we're coming to my room. It's a little dirty because I work so much. But this is my room. This is all 3 other rooms. This is how it looks. You walk in and you have the bed. You have your desk area, your books, your drawers. But then my dad came to town and he bought me this and built it for me, which is extra storage because I do have a lot of stuff. I had to clean this area, but this is the stuff that obviously you guys seen in my Marshall's haul. Victoria's Secret haul, which I never done, but I just went to Victoria's Secret. These 2 are my favorite perfumes, and they're from Chanel Chance and Chanel No. 5. My mom raised me to always like wear one type of perfume, like that should be your signature smell. But I just have like the signature brand, which is Chanel, so that's me. These are my pictures, but let's skip this part. But this is my closet, and then It's like a long closet, and I have my expensive brand purses here locked up. My clothes, my shoes. I'm not gonna go this side because it's the same side, and there's some pictures that I'm not allowed to show. My desk area, more storage, you know, to make more things organized. My TV, I mounted my TV. This is my reminder board where I like to put important reminders in. And as you can tell, I love California. This is my bed. This is an $80 heater blanket when it gets cold, which I used yesterday. Then I have my cute little stuffed animals. I have the Little Mermaid Ariel, Lady, Darth Vader and Lego, and Chewbacca and Lego, and they all have a meaning for me. For example, Lady, my boyfriend wanted for me in Santa Monica, so it means a lot. And then I was going through a lot of anxiety one night, and my boyfriend sent me money, and I bought Ariel. And then Darth Vader and Chewbacca represents our bond because me and him literally watch the whole Star Wars movie series every night. So it just represents a bond that my boyfriend and I have with each other. Then we have two boards, not boards, but two frames, and they mean a lot to me. It says she designed a life that she loved, and they said she couldn't, so she did. And I think that's very important for me. I think it represents a lot about my life because, like I've mentioned in my Q&A video, that I've been bullied a lot, and I started from the bottom, and I'm trying to build myself up. So that means way too much for me. My little desk area, my $80 mirror. And then my lipstick, my favorite lipstick that I use a lot, dailies. They're mostly all new colors, to be honest. Then we have my shoe, my heels. But now this was a storage closet, like I said in the last two, the first two. They're storage closets for rooms A and B because they don't have like a walk-in storage closet. It is small. It is a little bigger than the original A and B. But C rooms, like this one and the room across the hall, D, has a walk-in storage. So basically, it's still small. But when my dad came to downtown, he decided that he would build me a walk-in closet. So that's what it is, / a storage. So I have a walk-in closet. My dad built the walk-in closet for me. And it has all my military uniform, as you can tell. And then I have a lot of some of my purses hanged up. And yeah, so this is my walk-in closet, another closet, and / storage. Then now we have the last room in the house, which is the bathroom. Everybody has their own personal bathroom. So this is my bathroom, my simple everyday. You can come here, Lily. And then the shower. And then we have my makeup drawers. These are which you can tell I need to like start cleaning my makeup because I have a lot. And then my 3 little decorations because I like a lot of fashion. So we got Chanel, and we got Paris fashion, and then of course Love What You Do. Okay, my love, so you have just watched my house tour. I just wanted to remind you that I do live in a student housing apartment, so therefore the furnitures are not mine other than the furnitures I pointed out to you that my father has built for me. But all the decorations are mine, all like the kitchenware is all mine, like everything is mine except like the couches, the bed, the desk, and the drawers, and the nightstand. But other than that, like everything else is mine.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. That's the way we say.